now it's time for a deep clean our engine. Can you see the engine is so dark? You cannot see in here, but it's just so dark, it's so dirty, man. So let's try our new engine oil deep clean. And I will try for like 20 minutes and I will flush it out and let's see how it's clean. Okay, after cleaning I still see the dark, but I don't know, I just use it and I don't know if it's good or not, whatever it is. Okay, let's try a 3-way crystallis cleaner machine, 120 milli. Okay, let's try with our new deep flush engine deep clean. I can say this is my first time with my motorbike. This is used with the car, but I use with my motorbike. It's a long like 700,000 or something. I'm not yet count, but it a long time use, and I want to test it. Let it make my engine more smoother or not. Let's try. I already warm up my motorbike like 7 kilometers already, so let's put in, and I will try like 10 kilometers and I will remove out the oils and let's see how it works. I will give you the result my 1 month later. Thank you. Let's see how it's black. It's just so black, and I cannot see inside. I cannot tell it's clean.